Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Louis DK Unisex bathing shoes. These are water shoes, quick drying swimming shoes, or beach shoes, the non-slip aqua shoes. Lightweight, and of course you can use them for or as surf shoes. The size comes from 35 up to 48 as you need it. It's really cool for water sports, on the beach, for walking, for bicycling, exercise, while it is raining. In the office you can wear it, traveling, and of course yoga, baby. You can see this is universal aspect of nice shoes. It's available in so many different sizes and different colors like green, black, pink, and so many more. The material is neoprene plus polyester, soft upper for water shoes, made of breathable, quick drying diving materials. This makes swimming shoes feel soft like socks. And the inner material is 90% polyester and 10% spandex. Beach shoes have good moisture resistance, which is why the shoes dries quickly. Breathable, thin, like a skin. It keeps our feet comfortable. And we have a nice sole. The sole of the swim shoes is made of non-slip rubber. The spandex outsole with tiny air holes dries quickly and makes the surf shoes soft and stretchy, non-slip and durable, so we can play in the water, at the gym, and on the beach. It's really easy. We pull it on and we can use it. The heel height is around about 1 centimeter. The heel type is a flat sole, and it makes a good job while you walk on the beach or you go swimming with it. No problem. Neoprene, rubber, polyester, elastan, soft and comfortable. Of course, it is a shoe which is not waterproof, so you have holes in the sole to make a good ventilation of it. It is a swimming shoe. It is a shoe for sport, for exercise, and so on. The sole is made of the non-slip rubber, and we have a spandex plus in it. We do not fold the heel area. We should rinse it with running water only to make it clean again. We do not store the shoes wet, of course. We work carefully on wet floors with it, of course. We do not place the shoes near a fire or a heat source. It can cause misshape of the shoes itself. So that is an important thing. While using, if the shoes upper fabric contact cement or asphalt surfaces, it can cause scratches due to the friction, of course. To avoid danger of suffocation, we keep this plastic bag away from babies and children because the plastic bag is included, and we are going to use it to store our shoes after use. But this is a nice sentence. And we keep it away from children because they can have problems with it. This is that bag which is included is not a toy, so take care of it a little bit. But the shoes are really cool for children too. They can use it, they can go swimming with it, they can go to the beach with it. It's no problem for it. This is really cool because these anti-slipping rubber sole, you can work over stones easily with no problem, as you can see. And it makes a good job if you go to surf a little bit on your surfboard, on the board. You can easily stay there by using this Louis DK Unisex bathing shoes, water shoes, quick drying swimming shoes, beach shoes, non-slip aqua shoes, surf shoes, baby. And they are lightweight, and they are available in the size of 34 up to 48. My shoes here are 46, as you can see. Oh yeah. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon soon.